Hello students, welcome back to our JEE Prep channel. Hope all of you are doing well as usual. As you all know that we are doing problems on trigonometry part 2, that is on compound angles. Now let us solve some more problems. Now problem is, prove the following: cos 15 minus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees is equal to 1 by. Let's start with LHS. So LHS is equal to cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees. Now what we will do here, we will divide numerator and denominator by cos 15 degrees so that we will get tan 15 degrees in the numerator and denominator. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos 15, dividing numerator and denominator by cos 15, so LHS will be cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees whole divided by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees. So after simplifying, we will get here cos 15 upon cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees upon cos 15 degrees, the whole divided by cos 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees. Now we know that this cos 15 degrees will cancel and this cos 15 degrees will also cancel. So we will get here 1 minus tan 15 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 15 degrees, because sin 15 degrees upon cos 15 degrees is tan 15 degrees. Now students, we will use this formula tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. What is the tan of 45 degrees? 1. So for this one, we will use tan 45. So this is 1. The above equation I will modify like this: tan 15 degrees divided by 1 plus 1 into tan 15 degrees. So I can write this plus tan 15 degrees as 1 into tan 15 degrees. Now this tan 15 degrees, now this tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 can be used for this one and also for this one. So therefore this will be tan 45 degrees minus tan 15 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 15 degrees. So this is now formula of tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So by using the formula of tan A minus B, so I will get tan 45 degrees minus tan 15 degrees. So this will become tan 30 degrees, which is 1 by root 3, which is the concerned RHS. So we started with LHS, that is a cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees. Then after simplifying, we get 1 by root 3, which is RHS. Now let us solve one more problem of similar type. Now in this problem also, we will apply the same method as we used in the previous method. In the previous method, what we have done, we had divided numerator and denominator by cos 15 degrees and the whole expression was converted into tan, and then we used tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So here also what we will do, we will start with LHS. So LHS is equal to cos 27 degrees plus sin 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees minus sin 27 degrees. Now we will divide numerator and denominator by cos 27 degrees, so that in the numerator and denominator we will get tan 27 degrees. Now let's see how. This is cos 27 degrees plus sin 27 degrees whole divided by cos 27 degrees. Then in the denominator we have cos 27 degrees minus sin 27 degrees completely divided by cos 27 degrees. Now we will simplify this numerator and denominator. So therefore we will get now cos 27 divided by cos 27 degrees plus sin 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees whole divided by cos 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees minus sin 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees. Now this cos 27 degrees will cancel, and here also it cancels. So what we get 1 plus tan 27 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 27 degrees. Now here we will modify the numerator and denominator. What we will do, we know the value of tan 45 degrees, that is 1. So I will rearrange this equation. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan 27 degrees divided by, see in the denominator we have 1 minus tan 27 degrees. As denominator I will write it as the 1 minus 1 into tan 27 degrees. Now what I will do, I know the value of tan 45 degrees, that is 1. So we know tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So for this one we will write tan 45, and for this one we will write tan 45. So for this one we will write tan 45, and for this one also we will write tan 45. So what we will get now, tan 45 plus tan 27 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 45 degrees into tan 27 degrees. So now this is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is going to be tan A plus B. So therefore this is tan 45 degrees plus tan 27 degrees. And this will become tan 72 degrees, which is RHS. Hope all of you understood this problem.